Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix if you can't make a group chat on TikTok app. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right into the video and I'm gonna show you how to fix it if you can create a group chat on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok mobile application and at the bottom right of the page is profile. Simply tap on it and your profile page should appear. At the bottom is the inbox. Click on the inbox. At the top left is that plus icon. Tap on it and you can create a group by searching the friends here. But if you're not getting that option, go at the bottom right and at the top right is the three horizontal lines. Tap on it, click on settings and privacy. Go in the privacy, and if your account is private, just make it public, because if your account is private, that is the main reason that you cannot create group chats, and that is the only reason. And also make sure that you have some people that you talk to or some other people that you want to create in a group chat. If you don't have like followers on TikTok and you don't follow people, then you cannot also create a group chat. For example, if I go here and if I search for friends, I don't have friends. So make sure that your account is private or your account is public and you have some people that you follow or some friends on TikTok, and that is how you can create, that is how you can fix if you can create a group chat on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.